Alright, time for another Postbag. Pretty excited for this one because this one's going to help me do some proof of concept that I've got rattling around in my head. At least I think it is. Anyway, it's labeled LEDs. So let's go ahead and find out which LEDs these are. Okay, so we just have a thing of water clear LEDs. Let's pop one open. There we go. It says 5mm orange flicker, 100 pieces. So let's see what these orange flicker LEDs have to offer. Does that even show on the camera? I'm going to darken up the image a little bit here. So basically these are LEDs that are meant for use in like, electric candle, battery powered candle substitute things, and they just sort of randomly pulse bright and dim. It doesn't look that great with the water clear LED, but I'm not going to have it mounted in anything that's going to be water clear. It's going to diffuse it out a little bit, so yeah, that'll be interesting to see how that turns out. But yeah, this is just a quick Postbag there. I don't have anything else to show off. I just wanted to record this real quick because I wanted to open these so I could start playing with them. So anyway, that's today's post. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here is that'll be the link to the Postbag playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to help me get more things to build stuff for the channel. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.